What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is George and the point of this video is a little bit of an update for the 2018 Dodge Durango SRT. We've done a couple mods here and there. As you can see, the new Snorkels have been put on and we've got an exhaust mod here for you. So a new video coming for the exhaust mod to show you the in-depth review of that. Came out absolutely awesome. I love the way it sounds. And I'm going to give you a little bit of an update of the snorkel kit that we put on the SRT. Big shout out to Tristan and Isaac. Without them, I couldn't have been able to get this installed. So big shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for the help. Really appreciate it. So for now, let's go get a car wash so the car is nice and clean for the video, and we'll catch you then. So just a quick little background here for you. I did install an X-pipe on the SRT. We got rid of the big suitcase mid-muffler. Sounds so good. We'll get a complete in-depth video for you so you can hear everything from a cold dig to a cold start to a warm start to highway pulls to everything. So we'll make sure we get that video out for you very soon. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to that, and a little bit more background on this video, which is going to be just a quick showcase of the Lighting Trendz Snorkel kit. Now it's actually for Dodge Chargers, but we were able to finesse this for the Dodge Durango by cutting the grill a little bit, which was a little bit scary because cutting into a grill that I didn't have a backup of, you only had one chance to do it right, and luckily Tristan and Isaac were able to help me with that, and they did a great job. So it looks fantastic and works as it should. So a little bit more in depth as we go along here, and I'll show you how that works as time goes on. Just as I was pulling in, there was an SRT4 Dodge Neon in here in a nice yellow color. Looks like to be in pretty clean condition. I have not seen an SRT4 Neon in a very long time. I have a very good sweet spot for those. Those are super awesome cars, and it's awesome to see this. And we are back here with another clean vehicle now. It's all clean so you can show everything. The sun is kind of shining right on my car, so it's kind of hard to see, so I tried to park under the shade, but I guess I didn't do too good of a job. Anyways, two quick disclaimers here. First things first is that this video is not sponsored in any way by Lighting Trendz. This is I bought it with my own money. I did this on my own. They didn't reach out to me or anything like that. I did this on my own, so no sponsorship there, not yet at least. Anyways, number two, the car wash was touchless. I never go through one of those car washes that have the bristles and stuff, scratches up your paint. You never know who's went through it before you with mud and stuff. So 9 times out of 10, I do wash my own car. So that is disclaimer number two, that was a touchless car wash. So don't worry about that. So let's get into the good stuff and I'll show you the lighting trends. So first up is the hazard lights, and don't worry about the flashing strobe lights that are my turn signals at the moment. I bought LED bulbs and apparently I got a bad batch of bulbs. I've already reached out to the company and they're going to be sending me new ones. So right now I have strobing turn signals. It's very weird. But as far as the triangles go for these snorkels, they came out absolutely awesome. As you can see, they're full LED. So this is what it looks like when we have the turn signals on. And I'll show you left turn signal, right turn signal, and also what the headlights are on. And last but not least, with the car running, the DRLs are on that match the DRLs in the headlights. They are very bright, especially at nighttime. I don't have any nighttime recordings of it yet, but I'll try and get that for you. Maybe I'll make a quick YouTube short for that. But basically, that's what it looks like with the turn signals, the hazard lights, and the daytime running lights, along with the headlights on as well. So all in all, that install took us around 6 hours. We did it last weekend or so, last Sunday. It wasn't too bad. A lot of it was measuring, making sure we did the cuts right, because we only had one chance at doing this. So we had to cut into the grill, obviously, because there's no real Snorkels on a Durango. They're made for a Dodge Charger. So in this instance here, we did cut the grill. So we took our time, measured it out, measured twice before we, went and cut and everything, and we lined everything up as many times as we could, and basically just went at it. We used a Dremel with a cutting wheel on it, cut off the grill, and just kind of started small and made our way to a bigger size hole as time went on, so it would be a perfect fit, which the guys, they did a very good job at making a good cut and doing a good fit. So the way we got it to stick onto the grill, we just used a quick setting epoxy. I think it's set for about 5 minutes and then cured for about an hour or so, and it cured really well. Haven't had any problems with it. We made sure everything was watertight, so it was nice and easy. So that does about it for me for now. This was a nice quick video and just a quick update of the install. Like I said, there will be an exhaust video coming very shortly. That is the mid-muffler delete replaced with the X-Pipe. Sounds absolutely great. This was just a quick review of the Lighting Trendz Dodge Charger Snorkel kit that we put on an SRT Durango. So as always, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. It helps out immensely. And I will catch you next time.